Hello guys, today I have got REDMI Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable all access to contacts and call history in your Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is to enter the settings. Here, go straight to the connections. If you're on phone, not on Samsung phone, you need to go to the connected devices or just straight to Bluetooth. Here, Bluetooth, and now you need to tap this gear icon. As you can see, contact access is right here. Just tap this option and you're good to go. When you allow access to contacts and call history, you allow the information of the contacts for them to be used for call analysis and more. That's it, goodbye.